Today, DIY hair product is okra and Ambunu leaves. Alright, here are some benefits for using Ambunu leaves in hair care. Ambunu leaves is really good for cleansing the scalp and also good for detangling the hair plus moisturizing the hair also. The benefit of okra in hair care. Okra is rich in nutrients that promote hair growth. It contains vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K. These nutrients help to moisturize the hair, speed up hair growth, get rid of dandruff. And okra is essentially made of 90% of water, which is great to moisturize the hair and hydrate it.